Welcome to Crypto to Moon. Indians betting big on crypto. WazirX report. Even as the government is looking at regulating the cryptocurrency space, Indians are betting big on crypto and increasing the share of crypto assets in their overall investments portfolio, revealed a report by country's largest crypto exchange, WazirX. In its latest report, highlights and observations from 2021, the year of crypto, WazirX has stated that the 44% of its respondents' crypto comprises up to 10% of their overall investment portfolio. Interestingly, only 11% of respondents in the age group of 51 years and above said they have allocated over 50% of their total portfolio to crypto, whereas the same is true for 29% of the respondents in the age group of 18 to 24 years, the report said. As per the report, more people are relying on crypto as a hedge to protect their traditional investment portfolios against inflation. In fact, WazirX witnessed a record trading volume of over $43 billion in 2021, and its user base touched 10 million in November this year, as compared to less than a million users in November 2020. Commenting on the findings, Nishchal Shetty, CEO WazirX, said that investors are evolving and recognizing crypto as an emerging alternative asset class. The government's impetus towards a regulated approach for crypto would put India on the world map with other developed countries dealing in crypto, he said. Not just as a mode of investment, crypto investors are even fancying a career in this emerging space, as 54% of respondents stated that they would be interested in pursuing a career in the crypto space, with entrepreneurship, finance, and business development being the top career choices. As per the data from LinkedIn Economic Graph team in India, the crypto industry directly or indirectly employs about 50,000 people. According to a NASSCOM report, the crypto market in India has the potential to create over 8 lakh jobs by 2030. When it comes to investment, an interesting fact is that Bitcoin dominance has been on a steady decline, as with higher awareness, people are investing in other popular cryptos like Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano. Among others, 2021 saw a sharp drop in Bitcoin's dominance in trading volume from 70% to 40%, although Bitcoin was the most traded crypto on WazirX in 2020 as well as in 2021. Its contribution to our overall trading volume has plummeted, the report said. Thanks for watching Crypto to Moon.